And there's your chicken jockey. So you can just keep on spawning chicken jockeys. And I just think it's so cool. Like, look at this. Just spawn chicken jockeys at your own will. Hey guys, it's Sparkle13 here. I am back from a year-long hiatus to show you how to summon the chicken jockey. Now I know I already made a video about this a couple years ago, but honestly, I could do a lot better. There's much better ways. So what we're going to need to have for this tutorial is a structure block, a command block, an anvil, and a bat spawn egg. And that should be it. Also, you'll need to build something sort of like this. Not really. It doesn't have to be this tall. It just has to be tall enough for zombies to be contained in it. What we're going to start by doing is going into the command block, making sure it's on repeat unconditional and needs redstone, and putting in summon zombie, and then we're going to summon the zombies 24 blocks above the command block, so that when we turn the lever on, well, it needs to be nighttime. Hold on. When we turn the lever on, there will be some zombie jockeys left over. And we can, with the slab in front, we can hit their legs, and the baby zombies, we don't need two. The baby zombies will fall off. Oh yeah, we will also need a chicken as well. Place the chicken there. We got a chicken jockey. Now, this might be enough for you. And this is where I think I left the video off last time. Had to summon the chicken jockey. But I want to do better. First, put a structure block down. And set the size to 1, 2, and 1. That'll make a little outline like this. And we're going to put this outline right on top of the chicken jockey. So we'll probably need to go -2, 1. Okay, I put it the wrong way. Hold on. You gotta fumble with it a bit to get it to work. Maybe that'll do it. Yeah, so you see the chicken jockey right here. And you can just call this thing chicken jockey. And make sure include entities is on. And we can go ahead and save. So the structure is called chicken jockey. That's very good. Now, let's put down 3 command blocks. The first one will be set to repeat, unconditional, and always active. The second one will be set to chain, conditional, and always active. And the third will be set to repeat, unconditional, and always active. Now, the first command is going to be a test for command. It's going to be testing for a certain mob that we're going to spawn. So we're going to test for @e name equals chicken jockey. End brackets. This will just test for the chicken jockey when we spawn it in. Oh, this is supposed to be chain. And conditional. So that should be the chain command block, the last one. The next one's the most complicated one. I'm going to go into full screen here. It's going to be quite long. I'm going to put an execute @e name equals chicken jockey, and parentheses, run, structure, and then we're gonna use the structure name that we put in. So if you use a different name, you're gonna want to put that in, and then that should be it. Good. All right, and then for our last command block, we're just gonna kill @e name equal chicken. Oh, you need the if you have a space and a name, you need parentheses. What? You need quotes. You need quotes. See, can you tell I haven't done this in a while? All right, that's good. Pretty sure. All right, and now for the final step, you're going to go to an anvil, get a bat spawn egg, and name this Chicken Jockey. As you can see, I already had some of them available. And let's see if this works. Well, we did something wrong, but it's okay. So it found the chicken jockey. This is how you test it. You found the chicken jockey. See, I think the problem may be that this... I'll tell you what the problem is. I didn't load it. The command is structure load. Alright. So you want to put structure... This is the command that you need. The structure load. And there's your chicken jockey. See? Even I won't get it right the first time. So you can just keep on spawning chicken jockeys. And this is not the only thing that you're able to do. I have some other chicken jockeys that I've made as well. So we've of course got the regular chicken jockey. I have a husk chicken jockey. I have a villager chicken jockey. And I just think this is so cool. Like, look at this. Just spawn chicken jockeys at your own will. Now, I bet if I can get a zombie villager to wear like diamond armor, you can get like one of those rare zombie villager chicken jockeys and put it on the spawn egg. So you can really do any mod. Like, you know how we got a chicken jockey? If we got a spider jockey, we could probably do the same thing with a structure block, and then attach it to a spawn egg. I use bat spawn eggs because bats drop no XP and no loot when they die, so the bat just dies and the chicken jockey appears. And yeah, that's how you get a chicken jockey spawn egg. Not only can you spawn a chicken jockey, you can spawn them pretty easily as soon as you copy one and attach it to a spawn egg. And of course, with no mods or well, it is commands, but with no mods at all to the game, you can do this. And I think this is amazing. Well, that's going to wrap up the video for today, guys. I just thought, since the Minecraft movie came out, and since that video has been getting a lot of views, I might as well make an updated version. Well, maybe I'll see you all in a little bit, with the new videos coming soon. Maybe not. We'll see. Alright, well, I'll see you later, guys. Bye-bye.